hot and spicy stir-fry by stewing everything together in an electric rice cooker. It's really easy.
Malaxiangguo is a spicy dry pot dish originating from Chongqing, China, featuring a mix of meats, seafood, and vegetables stir-fried with chili peppers and Sichuan peppercorns for a numbing, fiery flavor. Similar to hot pot but with less broth, ingredients are pre-cooked and then stir-fried in a rich, aromatic sauce, allowing for customizable ingredient combinations. I'm in the mood for spice today, so I'll whip up an easy one-pot dish with my freshly purchased plant-based mala paste.
Let's skip the talk and get cooking.
Ingredient: mala paste, cabbage, button mushrooms, shiitake mushrooms, traditional tofu, beancurd knots. Feel free to toss in anything you enjoy. Bean curd puffs, fried tofu skin, or even luncheon meat are all great. Wash and tear cabbage into small pieces. Wash and cut shiitake mushroom into small pieces. Button mushroom remove from can and cut half. Feel free to skip this step if you prefer whole pieces, or bought small-sized ones. Cook it your way. Slice the traditional tofu into 4 chunks. It turns tender while cooking, so keep the pieces sizable. Start by sauteing the spicy mala paste in the rice cooker to wake up the flavors. Toss everything section by section, letting the spicy paste coat and caramelize for maximum tastiness. Stir-fried shiitake and mushrooms release a deep, earthy umami that elevates the whole dish. High-heat frying locks in their juices while creating a caramelized crust, tender inside, fragrant outside. Stir-fry the cabbage until lightly charred with golden edges. Its natural sweetness and aroma will fully bloom. Malaxiangguo is a dry stir-fry. Just add 2 to 3 spoons of water to prevent sticking. Too much turns it into a stew. Select white rice button and let the magic happen. After simmering for 10 minutes, add soft tofu to soak up all those spicy flavors. Once done, give it a taste. Add more mala sauce and simmer if needed. Otherwise, dig in right away. Ding! Fragrant mala feast unlocked. Cue the mouth-watering spices dancing around your kitchen. Who knew Malaxiangguo could be this easy? Just dump everything into your rice cooker. Simple, savage, and seriously delicious. The tofu soaks up the mala broth, numbingly spicy outside, melt in your mouth, tender inside, bursting with flavor. Shiitake and mushrooms get wok charred, chewy yet juicy with an umami explosion. Tofu knots offer bean fragrance and sauce cling addictively crunchy with every bite. Cabbage shards crispy at the edges, stays sweet at the core, cooling the spice fire. Malaxiangguo's mix of ingredients delivers balanced nutrition, protein, fiber, and vitamins in one fiery package. Watch the sauce's sodium levels pair with brown rice or skip added salt for a healthier twist. Mushrooms add umami plus bonuses, natural polysaccharides and antioxidants. Those with sensitive stomachs or gastritis should avoid the spice, may trigger irritation. Hypertension sufferers beware. High sodium sauce could disrupt blood pressure levels. During heaty body states or mouth ulcers, mala spices might add fuel to the fire. Special groups like pregnant women and children should opt for mild or non-spicy versions. Malaxiangguo originated as Chongqing dockworkers' rebel cuisine. Leftover ingredients wok fried at furious heat. Authentic versions use 30 freshly ground spices, while home cooks' Haas packets are a 21st century shortcut. NASA once researched a space-safe version to combat astronauts' taste blindness in zero gravity. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan, do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-ovo-vegetarian, do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For VO-vegetarian, do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian, do not eat red meat or poultry but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian, mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fork protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.